Or what I want to say in the intro.
Howdy y'all, I'm CinnamonToastKen. Let's play with some robbers. You got a booger hanging out your nose.
It's a great way to start. Hello everyone, I'm Ken. This is my wife Mary, and welcome back to Life Hack Hacks, a show where we go and check out life hacks. They got videos and channels that are all about life hacks and ways to make your life easier. We're gonna test a few of them. And today we are testing life hacks with balloons, which there are balloons involved towards the end, but mostly these balloons are in form of these. Because, you know, we don't want to get demonetized on YouTube. Speaking of which, the last life hack video that we did didn't get as many views as a lot of our other videos do, but it performed better across the board. So those of you that watched it seem to really enjoy it and watch the whole thing, and we thank you very much. And we're going to continue to do these because they're fun and they're doing well on YouTube. So, okay, Mary, what is our first life hack that we're going to tackle?
So, in the video, I think the first thing they waterproof is an injury. So, they had a band-aid on their arm, and then they used a balloon to waterproof their arm. Wow.
Mary, you ever seen one of these before?
Obviously not.
So we don't need an actual wound for this, but we do need our balloon and a band-aid, and then we need some water to submerge it in. Band-aid successfully on.
Fixed your boo-boo.
Yeah, and so if we put that in the water right now, it would just get all wet. So, I guess I'll just cover my wound. That look covered to you?
Yeah.
All right, good.
It looks
Wound is
safe.
Bring in the water, and let's submerge. Just rub it through a little bit. Get that wound in there real good, you know. Oh yeah.
Is your hand dry?
I don't know. Let's see. Give it a. Oh, that's. Don't worry about all of that. That's just lubricant. But yeah, I think the Band-Aid itself is dry. So yeah, if you're ever out there and you get a scratch and you put a Band-Aid on it and you're like, oh my gosh, it's raining. What would I do? Well, you just whip one of these bad boys out that you just happen to have laying around, stuff your hand up in it. It works. Our next life hack that you can use involves sitting at the keyboard, maybe what you're doing right now, watch this video, clicking around on Facebook or whatever, and your wrist just gets so tired. Get some water and fill up one of these bad boys. So slap it on there, and
Is that satisfying?
it is. And you can use it to rest your wrist on. Go ahead, Mary, give it a try.
Yeah, so I'm using my mouse, doing lots of clicking about. I mean, it feels cool. I think it's pretty distracting. But we have
Mouse pads?
mouse pads. Well, mine has a big booty.
We do have our anime waifus on our mouse
Yeah.
pads. Let me try that out, Mary. Come on, let me get in there. Ooh.
It feels good.
Ooh.
It would just be a little bit awkward if anyone had to use your computer. But then our waifu mouse pads are equally as awkward if someone wants to use our computer.
Just get in there and just give it some clicks. Yeah. I think the most awkward part of it would be that if it busted, if it just happened to bust.
Yeah.
But I mean, we've seen YouTube videos where people are taking these and dropping on people's heads full of water and they don't bust. So I think your wrists are in good hands.
Yeah, they're not supposed to break.
Yeah.
You broke a stress ball when you were gaming once, though.
I was stressed. It could double up as like a good stress. I'm very stressed right now.
I want to play with it. It's fun to play with. It reminds me of those toys. Did you ever have any of those toys? I had one that was filled with...
I have to be honest, I didn't have any toys like this.
You didn't?
When I was growing up.
I had one that was filled... I got it from an aquarium, and it was filled with green liquid and sparkles, and I burst it.
How could this happen to me?
It was really fun though, because you'd just wriggle it around.
Yep.
Yeah.
All right. Well, hey, I think that one gets a pass. That seems like a life hack that works.
You should just do this for fun.
Yeah, just have a good time with it.
Yeah. Go get your balloons out of your top drawer, fill it with water, and just Have a fun time.
Oh, we're spending way too much on this one. Get out of here. All right, so our next life hack, our next life-saving balloon life hack is that, my neck hurts. I wish I had an ice pack, Mary. What do you got for me?
I don't have ice packs, but I have plenty of balloons and a freezer.
And
whoa.
Wow, is that frozen water in a balloon?
Whoa, it sure is.
Wow, look at this thing. Amazing. It even kind of ribbed from like sitting on the rack in there. Wow, it feels so...
Once again, does feel really cool.
Yeah, thank you, Mary, for this.
You're welcome. Sweet relief.
Sweet relief. You want to try it out?
Yeah, I mean, you could just... Oh, it's a bit chilly. Oh, it's cold.
I imagine after eating something really spicy and just like being in misery from what happens afterwards, that this could work wonders. Just imagine. Bam. That sucker right there. Oh, yeah. Well, that's a life hack right there. I mean, it works. It's water.
Yep.
You've made ice.
Yep. A little ice sausage. Put it in your punch bowl.
Oh, it's so hot.
Stick it in your water bottle so your water stays cool.
Yeah, just you can imagine like opening this up and like dumping it in your water.
Yeah.
With all that
Moisture.
beautiful life hack. Success. So our next couple of life hacks, some of them are pretty cool, use actual balloons. Real ones, not balloons, but balloons. So this one is about taking a balloon and then using a bottle to blow it up. This is a little complicated, so we're gonna walk you through it. First off, you take off the top of your bottle and you cut like a little weird square in it. So we're gonna...
Which makes me real nervous.
Jesus Christ.
Oh,
I don't know, man.
she made it look so easy.
Yeah, of course they do. They always do. They're like, oh, look, it's so easy to cut.
Oh, you did it! Yay!
We're in. Cha.
Yay!
This is so safe. Cha. Okay. Cut that bit off, and we've made a square. Good job, us.
And then you also need to cut a little square out of a balloon.
Really?
You need to sacrifice a balloon in order to blow up the others. Just a little square.
Can we just like go down here and like...
Sure.
If you're alone, you'll have a lot of trouble doing this. So just...
And if you've got friends, you can probably blow up the balloons together.
And then snip. All right. Does that look good?
Sure.
Yeah.
And then we tape down 3 sides of that square.
Sure is not sticking very well, but you know, this is not working at all. This tape is just not sticking.
It'll be good, we'll do it.
Okay.
Okay, and then you put the bottle cap back on the bottle, and then we're gonna tape it more. And then we tape the whole way around.
I have no idea what I'm doing. All right.
It's perfect.
So yeah, just wrap it around town.
I don't really understand the point of this.
Just wrap it. This is to make your blowing up your balloon easy, Mary. Okay.
It looks secure.
Secure.
All right, now we need to cut a hole somewhere in the bottle. Perfect. Oh, that was big.
All right, that's okay. I can still put my thumb over it.
Now you can get to blow up a balloon.
Over the top of it. So
Oh gosh.
put it right on there. Okay, looking snazzy. We cover this up because we don't want air escaping when we press it down. So we cover it up and we let go. And then we try it again.
I don't think they covered their hole, did it? I thought they just went.
I mean, if you do that,
I see the problem.
and it just sucks the air back out of the balloon. You know what would be better? I don't know, just using your freaking mouth. There's no point. I get the idea, because I think the top part on here, like the air is supposed to come out and then the air pushes back down so it can't escape, but it does. So it's just kind of like, why? Now I've ruined the bottle that we need for the next hack.
Oh no! Your lungs are so strong. You could blow up so many balloons.
You know I can, girl. Real balloons, okay? Real ones.
As the water melts in here, it's getting more and more fun. Distracting.
Family friendly, baby, okay? So the next hack is taking your same bottle that you just used and then using
Another method of blowing up balloons.
baking soda and vinegar.
Can you remember what?
Let's do that.
What vinegar and baking soda together make?
It's like carbon. Nope.
Carbon dioxide. You almost said that.
I was serving it up for you so you could deliver it and look like the smart person, not to ridicule me. I was trying to be kind. So anyway, you take it in here and you pour some a little bit of vinegar all over the place. About that much, look good.
Yep.
And so then they recommend that you insert this the cool way. I'll call it the cool way. You put the baking soda inside the balloon.
Cool.
Because that's not going to make a huge mess. Actually,
You'll be the spreader.
Mary, this is family friendly, okay? Put some baking soda in there. Good, and open there. Just throw in some of that baking soda right there. Yeah. Oh, perfect.
That's what you want?
I mean, probably.
Okay.
You want to put more? Put more in there. Fine.
Oh, put more
We're going
in.
to create a bomb over here. Now we take it, put our bottle over there so I can wrap this sucker around. Or you can't really see what we're doing, but we stuck it on there right at the top. And so now, so you guys can see at home, we're going to pull it up, drop it in there.
Woo! Yeah! Science!
Yeah, look at it go.
Look at that. Woo! Imagine if you had a party and you only blew your balloons up to this size. I got it.
In the video, they put theirs in a box and it floated out of the box and was like, happy birthday or something like that.
Yeah, they claimed that it would float. Y'all did science?
Did y'all do some science? All right, let's do it. Oh.
It is not gonna float.
No, not even.
That is just a lie. They're just lying to children.
There's no way this thing will float.
It's just string.
This isn't how you make helium.
It was fun.
Science!
This is just a hack. This is just silly. There's no way you'd ever use this. Hey, did you have fun?
Yeah.
All right. Well, thank you guys very much for joining us for the life hack hacks. We did life hacks with balloons and.
You know what? Do the baking soda and vinegar experiment because science is cool and this is also fun.
That's what it should be called, an experiment, not a life hack. Well, thank you guys very much. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button. Let us know what you think down in the comments and recommend other life hacks that we can try out. I'll see you guys next time. Until then, bye.
I might have a baby by the time this video is up.
Ever seen one of these before?